Hello everybody, I'm Bagus Hendrawan from Biology Faculty Jenderal Sudirman University. Here, I want to explain you about the process of lagging strand at each replication DNA, which is synthesis into pieces. Do you want to know how they can work? So, let's discuss it together. Do you know replication? Replication is a process to duplicate the double helix DNA strand. As we know, the DNA strand is anti-parallel, so the template of replication are moved from different direction. One template is moving from 5 accent to 3 accent, and so do to the second template, but with different direction. But the direction of replication will always happen from 5 accent to 3 accent. Because of that, there will be two kinds of synthesis process. The first synthesis takes place continuously, so they call it the lagging strand, and the other one takes place discontinuously, so they call it the lagging strand. And then, how does the lagging strand can take place into pieces? To start the new synthesis, phosphate and nucleotides must binding with the end of 3 accent free hydroxyl group, and with the help of primer, new nucleotides are synthesized. With the help of primer, new nucleotides are synthesized. When one synthesis process complete, so the primer will be jumped. Do you know why the primer must be jumped? It's because the main structure of primer is not compatible with the structure of DNA. The primer structure consists of RNA, but the new nucleotide structure consists of DNA. Back the case, in this section, because synthesis takes place to different direction of replication fork, so it must be happen in several times. That will make the new nucleotide strand formed into pieces. Separately divided fragment will occur between the new nucleotides, which is called the Okazaki fragment. These fragments form due to the lack of phosphodiester bond, which connect one synthesize to another synthesize from 5 accent to 3 accent direction. Because synthesis process in lagging strand take place into pieces, are the new nucleotides in replication still in pieces from after the replication ended? The answer is no, because when the primer were jumped, the DNA polymerase I then taking its role by using the backsticking mechanism. It synthesizes short piece of DNA or Okazaki fragment in 5 accent to 3 accent, and then move back along the template strand before synthesizing the new fragment. However, by using the backsticking mechanism, it's not immediately make the synthesis in lagging strand be connected again. There is still a gap between the new nucleotides. So, then how can the new nucleotides could be a new strand that are not broken? So that's the process of lagging strand replication happen. See you next time.